Hello everyone, it's the Transit Diaries here. I'm on Chefchawadze Avenue right now. Taking a nice walk, love this place. Walked all the way up from Melikishvili to here, and I just wanted to film a nice rush hour POV video since there's a big football game today. So I wanted to film the first ever Tbilisi public transport rush hour POV. So let's get into this. So we're gonna make our way to metro station Tbilisi because that's how we get to Tsereteli, which is gonna be the really crowded station today. We're gonna take a nice look on what it looks like when the Saburtalo line and the buses are really crowded. There's an ambulance. And the next bus is getting here in 8 minutes on a football game day. That's ridiculous. This bus stop has a 2-minute wait time, which isn't nearly as bad, but there have been a lot more coach buses lately. I think the amount of reduced buses has to do with the rainfall. I don't think that contributes to the high frequency of buses, so they had to take a lot of buses out of service. There's a police car. It's good that the police are on duty when this big event is happening. It's really weird to have such low frequencies because on Chefchawadze, you typically only have to wait about 1 to 2 minutes for a bus, but today it's 8 minutes. So there's definitely some kind of external factor really making the service worse today. Here are our buses. Look at them, 4 in a line. That's crazy. And there's our mainline city A47, route 334, to take us to Tbilisi Metro. Five buses. You can see that this bus is really crowded. That's the bus I'm taking. Oh well.
შემდეგი გაჩერება ილიას სახელმწიფო უნივერსიტეტი. შემდეგი გაჩერება მეტროსადგური თბილისი.
უნივერსიტეტი, Medical University. შემდეგი სადგური ტექნიკური უნივერსიტეტი, Next Station, Technical University.
Betraut, please don't lean on the door.
University, Technical University. შემდეგი სადგური წერეთელი, Next Station, წერეთელი.
Betraut, nun meer de nobitgaris. Please don't lean on the door.
Despite the large event, only half of the doors are open. You know, and it's absolutely crazy that despite the large sports event, only half the doors are open at this station with all these people around. Only one door was open at Tbilisi, and they weren't running all the escalators, and even the escalators that were running were not running at full speed. And that's just crazy. But nonetheless,